Hi everybody, welcome to Khan Creative Studio. This is another Father's Day painting showing you father and daughter. Here I'm showing you how to paint background as per normal. You have to draw the picture on the canvas using pencil, then after that use permanent marker to outline it. If everything okay, then you can start painting the background. And this as you paint the background, you still can see the outline of the silhouettes, right? And you start painting the red evening kind of a background, orangey, and the black color over it. Once dry, you can paint over the black. Now once the background is dry, you can put in the birds and some grass and things like that. Okay, now for the Love You Dad, you can paint once the black color is dry, you can paint over with white. You can put Love You, letter U and that, or you can put YOU. It's up to you. And once the white color is dry, once the white color is dry, you can paint over with the heart, the red and yellow tone, slightly dark and light to show the brightness or rounded effect. And the word Dad, the YOU, I use gold marker to write it and then outline with the white marker. Outline with the gold marker to show like a 3D effect. For the heart, it's like the glow effect all around the heart. Just use the gold marker over it. If you don't want to use gold marker or white marker, you can always use glitter pen to highlight certain parts, or put some dots here and there, stars here and there, or heart shapes. You can use a glitter pen or glitter glue. You can cover with the heart shape. Even the Dad, you can use glitter glue, or you can put dots, white dots over it to highlight it to make it even better. Okay, enjoy painting. Love you, Dad. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.